Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Divyansh Kumar Study Vlog, and in this video I will tell you about how to make notes and some tips and some tricks. So please watch this video till the end. So I will suggest you that in this video I will start it with some questions. So first question, yes. So first question is how to make notes while listening the lecture or after the lecture. So I prefer that you make notes while listening the lecture, because in the lecture teacher taught some extra points and important points, so you can write and this save your lot of time. So time is money, so please I prefer that you should make your notes while listening the listening the lecture. Moving to our next question, yes. So to make notes you should have a A4 size. You can see that I have a A4 size notebook of spiral notebook. This is A4 size notebook spiral, so you can prefer because it is very flexible. You can fold easily and easily fold. So it should better to make our notes, so you can easily fold and write. So it is very easier to handle. So I prefer that you should buy a spiral notebook. Moving to our third question, yes, I will tell you that I will suggest you that you should not make your notes overwriting and very attractive, because these things are very time consuming. Because in our student life we should not have much time to do these things, to highlight, and you should see that my notes is very simple and clean. It's very simple and clean, so you should make your notes clean and neat and clean. And one thing, moving to our fourth question, yes. So you can see that this is my electricity notes, and I also prefer that you should make your heading in the box, and this is a formula to find the charge on a body. So I will under the box, so when you revise your notes, so it is highlighted. So this is very important thing and very attractive. And this is the, and you can here also see I will confined in the boxes. As you can see that in my notes I will cover all the definitions, all the formulas, and all the important questions. So you can also write like me. You can see that definitions and examples with definition, because examples are also important, can make the question in exams. And whenever you want to where is a diagram is important, you should also make the diagram, because the definition of electric circuit, and I will make the electric circuit with an example, because when I revise the notes, our notes, this is very helpful to remind me that yes. And wherever I want the graph, so I paste the graph from my graph book, so you can also do that. So, and in my notes you can also see that I use the bullet points. So this is very important thing. I use bullet points and small points, and I will not use any the bookish language, because this is very boring, and whenever you revise your notes, this is very boring. So I will use bullet points, and also I will suggest you that you should use bullet points to write the notes. And if you are serious and if you are NTSC aspirant, so please check my description box. I will make many videos. What is NTSC? How do you do the NTSC exam? Best book for NTSC. So please check the description box once. And you can also see that in my SST and my any other notes, I will also prefer to make notes with the flowcharts, because flowchart are very easier to study and neat and clean our notes look. So you can see that I will use many. As you can see that I will use the many flowcharts. These flowcharts are very helpful to revise and learn the things. And whenever this, can you see that I use small bullet points to write. So these are some points are related to how to make notes, some tips and some tricks, how to study your notes, and how to make notes while seeing the lecture or while after lecture. So you have any queries, so please chat in the comment box, and please like my videos, because I have a very So again I will tell you that please check my description box, because in the description box many important videos are related to how to make notes and related to NTSC, because I am also an NTSC aspirant. So do watch my videos and my study vlogs. So please like my videos, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.